Halo guys, selamat datang kembali di channel gua Ozzy Nemo Gaming ID. Nah, seperti yang gua janjikan di video sebelumnya, gua akan mulai untuk kelarin cerita utama dari ZZZ 2.0. Nah, udah gak kerasa ya, ZZZ udah berjalan selama 1 tahun, dan di 2.0 ini kita sudah mulai masuk ke cerita baru. Oke, cerita akan dimulai dengan judul Di Mana Awan Menyambut Fajar. Nah, di sini kita akan bersama dengan X1. Oke, kita akan langsung pergi. Oke, kita akan langsung gasin di sini. Coba. Oke. Wali kota mengirim pesan dan berharap kita ikut dalam penyelidikan. Ayo kita bicarakan dengan Wise. Kita pergi. Dan kita sudah ternyata ada di kita belum beranjak dari toko random play ya guys. Oke, kita akan bicara dengan Wise terlebih dahulu. Oke, jadi wali kota mengirimkan pesan ke kita dan meminta bantuan kita terkait investigasi. Namun kita di sini harus meninggalkan Sixth Street dan untuk sementara tinggal di Wi-Fi Peninsula, merahasiakan identitas kita dan menyelidikinya secara diam-diam. Wah, berarti Wi-Fi Peninsula. Wali kota mungkin perlu bergabung dengan Yunqui Summit untuk sementara sebagai murid terdaftar. Kita periksa detailnya dulu. Oke, untuk detail kontaknya, kata wali kota si X1 besok akan datang ke sini untuk membahas detailnya. Oke, kita istirahat terlebih dahulu.
Let's go to bed early, Bill. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day.
Gotcha. Nighty-night, Wise.
Oke, di sini muncul X1. Cuman tadi kayaknya gua lupa buat ganti ke subtitle Jepang ya guys. Oke, untuk di video selanjutnya gua akan atur dulu nih settingannya untuk biar dubnya bisa dub Jepang guys.
Shifu.
Oke, di sini X1 sama si Jufufu.
Have you not slept? Is there something on your mind?
No, Fufu. I was just stargazing, trying to divine what's to come. The hour has arrived. I must go pick up the new disciples. This time, I'll escort them personally.
Oke, season 2 chapter 1 dimulai. Di Mana Awan Menyambut Fajar. Oke, wali kota ingin menghubungi kita dan kita akan berkomunikasi dengan wali kota sekarang.
Sir, we've met with the investigator you mentioned.
I see. What do you think of her, my friends?
Her way of doing things is pretty special. She even helped us when we ran into ethereals inside the hollow. I still don't really understand what those techniques of hers can do, but she certainly seems like a highly capable investigator.
Looks like you got along well. Good. She can be a bit unpredictable, but her skills are beyond doubt. Whenever a will also be cooperating with Yunquei Summit in the upcoming...
So, what exactly are we investigating?
I recently received a notice from the Hollow Investigative Association. They said Lemnian Hollow observation data has been frequently showing abnormal readings.
Oke, jadi ini investigasi tentang observasi di Lemnian Hollow ya guys, yang katanya sering ada anomali.
The situation is worst around the Waifei Peninsula ruins. That location is currently the porcelain production
Dan
center
kata wali
under
kota,
Thompson's
anomali paling
management.
parah ada di sekitar runtuhan Waifei Peninsula yang ada di pusat produksi porcelain yang ada di bawah manajemen Tops.
Porcelain. Isn't that the special material used to block ether?
Yes. Right now, the Hollow observation data from that area has shown a large number of abnormal signals. Initially, I thought it was due to a production issue, until I obtained a photograph through a special channel. I'll send it to you. I suspect you're very familiar with the person in it.
Foto yang tidak jelas asalnya. Foto yang belakangan ini beredar di Waifei Peninsula. Sosok yang ada di foto ini adalah guru dari Python, Karl Arna. Oke, ini adalah silhouette dari foto dari gurunya si Waisama Bell ya guys.
Her teacher. But how? Isn't she...
That's right. Presumed dead during the fall of the old capital, though her remains have yet to be found or identified. I've since had it examined, and the photo has been confirmed genuine. Unfortunately, we'll never know who the photographer was. The only thing we can know for certain is that it came from the porcelain production area near Waifei Peninsula.
So she's alive? And she's there? No. Something feels off about this whole thing. As much as I'd like for it to be true, we'd better...
I was thinking the same thing. Besides, if she's really there, then we need to be extra careful about... We'll take the commission, sir. When should we head out?
Good. Your reactions were much calmer than I expected. You are
Oke,
indeed
jadi
our
kita
students.
memutuskan untuk menerima kontaknya ya guys.
I've already spoken with Yixuan. She will be inspecting the situation in Waifei Peninsula as you can tag along under the guise of Yunquei Summit disciples. This will also be an opportunity to discover your potentials under her guidance. Leave the specifics of the operation to her. She just sent me a message saying she's getting ready to come meet you.
Oke, jadi Yixuan OTW kesini ya guys.
Got it. We'll talk to her.
Good. Then I'll leave the investigation to you. I hope everything goes swimmingly.
Oke, kita ternyata masih meragukan keaslian dari foto tersebut. Oke, si Yixuan udah sampai di random play dan kita akan langsung bicara dengan Yixuan.
Val, Wise, I'm here to pay you a formal visit as agreed. The mayor messaged me and said that you've accepted the commission. Is that right?
The mayor said he found a photograph of Carol Arna in Waifei Peninsula. So we want to get to the bottom of this.
Yes, I've heard Mayflower mention it. Even though the world accuses her of being the culprit behind the old capital's fall, as her such devotion is admirable. Since we'll be cooperating together on this investigation,
Thank you, Yixuan Shifu. Thank you so much for giving our teacher the benefit.
I don't know Carol Arna personally, but I trust your judgment. We can investigate the photo and the observation data anomalies in tandem. When the time comes, we'll certainly be relying on your holo navigation skills.
Don't worry. You can leave the hollow business to us, Shifu.
By the way, I also promised Mayflower that I'd teach you how to develop your potential. Yunquei Summit has rules that the techniques are not to be taught to outsiders. If you're willing, you can temporarily register yourselves as nominal disciples of Yunquei Summit. Don't worry, which means it's also unnecessary for you to follow the formalities and call me Shifu like the disciple.
We'll still call you Shifu. You are teaching us how to control our ether aptitude after all.
We may only be disciples by name, but we're still learning from you. Besides, that's what they say in the movies.
Shifu.
You're putting the cart before the horse, but I suppose it's fine. Since you're calling me Shifu, I'll make sure your fellow seniors take care of your daily needs once we arrive in Waifei Peninsula. Also, take this.
What's this? A Yunquei Summit Disciples uniform?
Oke, karena kita mendaftar sebagai murid
Indeed.
Yunquei Summit
You are nominal
untuk
disciples of
investigasi
Yunquei
kali
Summit
ini
now.
dan sekaligus
The uniforms will also
belajar
help avert
untuk
suspicion.
mengendalikan kemampuan kita dari Yixon. Kita akan memakai seragam khusus murid Yunquei Summit untuk sekarang ini.
Do you remember the last time we went to Lumina Square? I was there to pick up the custom accessories for you.
So that's why Shifu was so secretive last time. Although, Shifu seems awfully well prepared. Could it be that you're actually eager to take in new disciples?
Bell, Junior Bell, makes a good point.
That is not the case. Don't make wild assumptions now, you two. It's just that a reading I did had foretold these events.
That's right. It must be Shifu's amazing divination skills. Senior-wise, looks like... Speaking of, since you practice divination, Shifu, have you done a reading for this operation?
I have indeed, though the result was not very auspicious. Rest assured, I have prepared.
Prepared for...
I took out insurance policies.
Bahkan udah menyiapkan asuransi, anjir.
It does sound like you're Huh? Hold on. And was the reading that dangerous?
Master, urgent reminder. Big data forecasting shows that this investigation may conflict with the interests
Oke,
of
Ferry
TOS.
tiba-tiba nimbrung dan menjelaskan kalau kemungkinan misi investigasi kali ini akan melibatkan Top Sagas.
Speculation. The probability of you encountering an accident is over 91.3%. It is recommended that you register Yixuan as an emergency
Fairy? What are you doing here?
Oh, and who's this? A fellow mystic?
Oh, that's our AI assistant, Fairy.
This assistant is quite accurate with its readings. Is this the new big data fortune telling that everyone's talking? I heard they can even tell fortunes based on blood and personality types. Must be a secret technique from another school. Very well. Since you already know big data fortune telling, you're exempt from studying divination.
Hold on, we're getting off topic. We were talking about how the investigation would be very dangerous.
My reading said the investigation will have many twists and turns, but it also said our misfortune could be turned into a blessing. There's no need to worry. I'll be with you. It's just better to be safe than sorry, hence the insurance.
True. We should be fine with Shifu by our side.
Mayflower also made special arrangements and dedicated an... I tested the flight with your seniors before. It went smoothly and Tops didn't give us any trouble. The mayor also prepared a temporary HDD device for you in Waifei Peninsula. However, one of you must go there first while the other stays behind for remote tuning.
I'll go first. Wise can stay behind for remote tuning while I scope out the situation. He can join us when everything's settled.
Oke, jadi untuk di Waifei Peninsula sudah disiapkan HDD sementara di sana dan gua akan ke sana terlebih dahulu dan sementara si Wes di sini
Bell, I should go first.
untuk pengecekan jarak jauh. Belle, seharusnya aku yang pergi duluan. Panggil aku Junior Belle.
Excuse you, it's Junior Bell. Seems I'm the more professional one here. It's decided. I'll go first.
But
Wise, it's fine, really. Besides, Shifu's with me. I'm sure we can handle...
That's right. As your Shifu, your safety is my priority.
fine. We'll do it your way. But please be careful out there.
kita dapat outfit proxy baru. Ayo periksa outfit proxy-nya. Selanjutnya kita ganti ke outfit baru. Manager energetik, kelembutan cahaya pagi. Pastikan semuanya sudah oke lalu siap berangkat. Oke, kita akan pakai kostum baru dengan penampilan baru. Saatnya jalan-jalan. Bus, ada showcase-nya anjir. Mantap, Jer. Wendy siapa ya guys? Tin Master juga ada di Wi-Fi Peninsula. Oke, saatnya untuk mulai kita pergi ke Peninsula bersama X1. Kapal udara sudah tiba. Oke, ayo berangkat mulai pertarungan. Kamu akan memasuki mode cerita imersif sama periode ini, oke? Kita akan berangkat ke Wi-Fi Peninsula. Sampai jumpa Sixth Street. Saatnya kita memulai petualangan baru di Wi-Fi Peninsula. Oke, kita sudah menaiki kapal udaranya.
Lemnian Hollow? Looks like we're almost there. Luckily, nothing happened along the way.
Indeed.
Target is approaching the designated location.
Oke, sepertinya ada yang sedang menarget ke kapal udara tempat kita naik, guys. Tembak.
We're losing altitude.
Waduh, kita diserang, guys.
Target neutralized.
Dan dengan jatuh kapal, tanpa sengaja kita masuk ke dalam Lemnian Hollow, guys. Waduh, menurut saya kok lebih mencekam ya dari hollow biasa yang biasa kita temuin di New Eridu.
Feeling a bit dizzy. Thank goodness for that spatial rift. What is this? It looks so weird.
Oke, kita melihat ada tumbuhan aneh.
Hold on.
Ini pasti tumbuhan miasma yang disebutkan dalam dokumennya. Masa padat yang terbentuk dari miasma terkonsentrasi. Oke, ini adalah miasma, guys. Yang terkontamin, yang zat berbahaya, guys. So, kita akan lanjut untuk mencari keberadaan X1, guys. Ya, tiba-tiba muncul Ethereal dan Oke, Yixuan, akhirnya kita ketemu dengan Yixuan.
Let me handle this.
Tahan basic attack atau tekan berulang kali. Skill ya ini agar Yixuan mengonsumsi adrenalin untuk melancarkan special attack. Oke, menemukan teknik point. Saat teknik point mencukupi, tekan ultimate untuk melancarkan. Oke. Oke, kita akan coba dulu ya.
You're here.
Nolak guys.
Be gone. Take this.
Nolak guys. Oke, langsung ultimate.
Cycle of yin and yang. As decreed. Let's make this quick.
Oke, kita berhasil mengalahkan
there you are.
ekor yang
Are you
muncul.
alright? Are you injured?
Meskipun tadi agak nge-lag banget ya guys ininya, gameplaynya.
I'm fine. Shifu came just in time. The airship suddenly lost altitude and crashed. That was
Belle, there's something I need to tell you. I inspected the crashed airship and found evidence of an explosion. It seems that someone attacked us with a ranged weapon on the...
an attack with a ranged weapon. So this wasn't an accident, but a deliberate attempt to hurt us?
Correct. Just now, I spotted a few figures in the distance. I wanted to chase after them, but your safety matters more than finding out who they are. So, I searched the fissures around the crash location to look for you. Thankfully, I had anticipated trouble, so I brought a copy of Lemnian Hollow's carrot data, which saved a lot of...
Persiapannya matang sekali. Shifu memang hebat.
As expected of Shifu, you're so well prepared. But who were those people that attacked us?
It doesn't matter. Your safety is what's most important. They won't ask for their identity. We'll find out who they are in time. But that can wait. For now, let's find a way out of the hollow and head towards Waifei Peninsula.
Terus langsung. Wow, langsung lenyap ya semuanya guys.
Shifu, was that a Yunquai Summit technique you just used?
Oke, kita akan lanjut untuk mencari cara
Indeed,
untuk keluar
the
dari
principles of such techniques are in fact rather
Lemnian
simple.
Hollow untuk pergi untuk sampai di Waifei Peninsula.
Corrupted substances inside the hollow have different biofrequencies. By manipulating their resonance or altering their frequencies, carrot data indicates a nearby fissure leading out of the hollow. Let's locate that
Oke,
first.
kita menemukan celah dari carrot yang ditanamkan Yixuan. Apakah kita akan berhasil keluar? Setelah memasuki celah spasial dan merasakan rasa pusing yang sudah tidak asing lagi, Belle dan Yixuan tiba di area tak berpenghuni di tepi hollow.
Shifu, we finally made it. But this looks like the sea.
Well, given our current options... Val, can you swim?
Buset, disuruh berenang guys.
Shifu, you mean you want us to swim across? That looks a bit far. Shifu, is this really necessary?
Relax. It's only a last resort. The crash made a lot of noise. I'm sure someone will come and investigate. Besides, there's a waterway toward Failun Heights nearby. We should be seeing
Thank goodness. Shifu, I really thought you were going to swim all the way over there. A ship?
Oke, ada kapal yang akhirnya menyampaikan kita.
Haya, 도슬레 한번 사초에 못해야지.
你哋係咪上下為飛地啊？當然冇揾人帶你哋入城啦。
唔使，放我哋喺外面就得啦。唔要你接我哋嘅，攞你飛心。
Shifu, what are you saying? I couldn't understand a thing.
Oh, it's just a local dialect. Don't worry about it. I contacted your senior earlier. She'll come pick us up here.
My senior? Right. Yunquay Summit has many disciples. There must be others before me. And since Wise and I only just became disciples today, we're probably the juniors' juniors.
That's right. I have a few other disciples. Since you joined last, you are indeed everyone. But don't stress over it. Just treat them normally. You can also ask them for help if you need anything.
Shifu, what are my seniors like? I'm curious.
Patience. You'll see soon enough.
Oke, tidak lama kemudian kapal kargo itu tiba di tambatan terdekat.
So,
Kita
this is the
sampai di
place.
tepi laut.
You said someone will pick you up.
Yes, I've contacted my disciple. She's on her way, so she should be here soon.
Oke,
Sorry to
kita
keep you waiting,
dijemput
Shifu.
sama Jufufu.
Who's here? Huh? Who's this? Aha! So you must be the little junior Shifu spoke. Oh wait, you seem kind of familiar. Have we met before? I don't quite remember.
Ya kan kita pernah ketemu sebelumnya waktu yang di apa? Mr. Arpeggio atau apa itu
Anyway,
di
let me introduce myself
pokoknya kayak
again.
di Hollow
I'm
juga.
Jufufu, and I'll be your senior here. Shifu was being all secretive before. I see now we have quite the interesting. You've got nothing to worry about with senior Fufu around. If anything comes up, I'll handle it.
Terima kasih Senior Fufu.
Thank you so much, Senior Fufu. If I have any questions, I'll be sure to ask. Ask me anything. Food, entertainment, training. Oh, I know a great tea house nearby.
Fufu, let's continue the conversation when we've returned to Swabian Temple. We've just...
I'm sorry, Shifu. I got a bit too excited. I'll take you to the temple now. Oh, would it be okay if I showed Junior Bell around on the way back?
Sure, I'll leave that to you. Then I'll see you back at Swabian Temple. Don't stay out too long.
Got it. Oh, right. Let me pay the boat fare first. Thank you for helping us. How much do we owe you?
Young lady, it sounds like you're all from Swabian Temple, yes? It's not my place to take your dennies, no?
Huh? But it's what we owe you.
I can't take your dennies. People like me wouldn't be alive if it weren't for you all back then. Anyway, you should go back and rest now. Oh, and make sure you steer clear of the hollow from now on.
All right, we got it. Thank you so much. If you need any help in the future, come find us at Swabian
Kayaknya
Temple.
Swabian Temple kontribusi banyak nih buat Wi-Fi Peninsula.
Thank you
Yunquay
kindly.
Summit maksudnya. Oke, setelah semua berpamitan dengan kapal, Yixon kembali ke mendahului mereka untuk mengurus urusan lainnya.
Well, Shifu's gone back to Swabian Temple, so I guess we're free to do whatever now. Come on, Belle, I'll show you around. There's plenty of fun to be had here.
Oke, jadi sepertinya kita sudah sampai di tepinya Wi-Fi Peninsula ya guys. Oke, inilah penampakan kota Wi-Fi Peninsula. Oke, ini bener-bener kayak Chinatown-nya Wi-Fi Peninsula. cerita utama serangan dalam bayangan selesai. Oke. Untuk video selanjutnya kita akan dimulai dengan kita jalan-jalan keliling WFP Peninsula bersama si Jufufu. Oke guys, untuk saat ini videonya sampai di sini dulu guys. Makasih ya yang udah nonton sampai selesai. Dan buat yang nonton jangan lupa ya buat like, komen, share video gua, dan jangan lupa subscribe channel gua juga ya guys. Dan jangan lupa juga untuk follow akun Instagram gua dengan ID Ozzy96. Oke guys, sampai jumpa lagi di video gua berikutnya. Dadah.